So this is a leaf disease detection project. So here you will have your Raspberry Pi board, and you will be connecting the GSM to the USB to TTL. Connect a USB camera. Okay. So this is the hardware. We will use project 123 for Wi-Fi hotspot, and VNC viewer in order to connect to the application. So after connect to the application, you will have a desktop icon here. So this is the desktop icon. Double click on this desktop icon. Execution window will be shown. So in the file manager, you will have a folder called images. So I'm removing these images first. So in this leaf test images, we have leaves of certain corn and tomato with diseases mentioned. So each folder has around 10 images for the testing purpose of the data set. So we will have two options. One is to upload the image from the data set, as well as we have the option to directly take the camera, take the snapshot and upload the image. It's not possible to directly show the camera to the leaf and test the disease. So we have to compulsory give the only the image. After the image, our machine learning model will take that image and analyze the data and give us the output. So here we will have our email ID where we have configured it. Now whenever I have selected this tomato, and the main disadvantage with the machine learning is not only in this, anywhere the machine learning, if you give some input, it is defined to give the output. It won't say that the input is doesn't belong to that particular class, or the input is doesn't belong to the particular program. It doesn't care about those things. If you give any input, it is tend to give the output in which we have trained. So this is the main disadvantage, and machine learning will only is only up to 70 to 80% accuracy. Don't depend 100 don't expect 100% from the machine learning side. So first I will show the physical upload. You have to upload it. Go to the leaf test images. I'm going to the common rust and selecting one image, and you can see that we have to select only from tomato side, as we have the drop down of tomato, leaf bolt, fifth image. I've selected this image. See that whatever the image you have, the leaf you have selected, the drop down has two options. One is the tomato and corn. So I'm selecting tomato and press analyze. So when you press analyze, you can see here the image you have uploaded. This is the graphical user interface we have designed, is given to the machine learning program in the backside. This machine learning will program take that particular image. It will take some time to analyze everything. So it has analyzed it, and we have given your mobile number where the SMS will be sent through the GSM. So after the SMS is sent, then the email will be also sent to your given email ID, leaf analyzed result. If you open this, you can see here leaf species tomato, identified disease tomato yellow leaf curl or leaf mold. We have selected one of the image from the data set. Same way I will check for another option. Now I will go for corn. So I've given two leaf diseases. Any one of will be of that particular leaf based on the accuracy and the speed of our boat. I've selected common rust. I say analyze. It will take. So it has given common rust corn. It has detected perfectly, and this will be sent. The SMS matter will be leaf disease corn, and the same way email will be sent where you will have this leaf disease corn identified disease. And the other option is you will have the option of camera, so you can just click on the camera app. One second. Okay. So the camera will be opened here. So you can see if you move the camera will, you have to show the camera to the leaf if you have the real leaf, and like this. And if you, after showing the leaf, real leaf or something, I will take the image from here. Leaf images, leaf test images. So now I got some image here. I'm showing it won't be clear in this thing, and you have to press space bar. So whenever you press this space bar, in the same folder of leaf images, you have to click on the camera and then press space bar. I will place it in the big screen. It's colliding. Okay, now it's fine. Now I will click on this thing and press space. You can see one image has been generated of that particular leaf. Okay, so same way, if you have any real leaf of the same image, then you have to show using this camera. Click on this camera screen and press space bar. The image will be generated and saved in the images folder. Now you, in your application, now I will show you the negative part of this machine learning. So go to the upload. I'm selecting this camera image what we have selected and press open. Click on open and say analyze. Okay. The camera will be line. You can open it at any time and run it. And here the application is running. So approximately it has detected two. One is gray leaf spot and the other one is a comrest. Okay, same will be uploaded, sent to your email. See, just now we have received the email of this thing. So in this way the application works. To close the application, just close this thing and everything closes.